Welcome to the week ahead for financial markets. Mike Smith, Head of Education and Training at Go Markets. Hope you're well. Hope you had a great weekend. Let's look at 5 things that we think are going to move markets this week. First of all is, of course, Trump is at it again. Europe and Apple are now in the tariff crosshairs. Trump suggesting that potential 50% tariff on Euro imports and then a 25% on Apple that weren't constructed in the US may be put on soon. This obviously has upset things. Little progress in terms of new developments on the China US trade deals either to report. We do, on the data front, have some important data out. We've got the PCE data, which is the Fed's favorite inflation measure. We are seeing some sticky progress on inflation, despite the fact that the last CPI number was slightly favorable. So this is going to be important in terms of what happens next. And of course, with the Fed pushing back potentially to July, its next rate cut, markets are going to be watching this closely. We are seeing a yield surge in US bonds. We're back to 2023 levels, and this may result in stock market to treasury fund reallocation, which may be bearish for stocks and be interesting to watch whether there's any impact of that during the course of the week. One of the key players in the AI world, NVIDIA, are due to report this week. These key numbers are going to be important. There has been obviously concerns about the impact of changes in global trade, and I'm sure NVIDIA will reference that. But obviously, on the back of what has been a good earnings season, we may see something positive. And finally, Bitcoin at record highs. We saw record highs hit at the back end of last week. In Asian trading this morning, it looked as though there's a little more buying, may retest that level. Watch 112,000 on Bitcoin. That's 5 things to watch. And of course, we do have live market updates on Monday and Thursdays and our inner circle session on Wednesday. You're invited to both of those if you can make it along. And of course, our support team are always here to help. Happy to assist you with anything you need at any time. Have a great week.
Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.